some years ago, maybe 6 or 7, I forget, I was asked to be a mentor to a junior fellow, Hadia Rodrigue, and I was, and of course, very quickly, I realized that she was my mentor and I was the mentee, and we joke about that ever since. But it blossomed into a terrific friendship and an ongoing, very positive social relationship. And she's introduced me to all sorts of smart ideas, to many of her smart, wonderful friends. I've done the same, introduced her into my various friend groups, and those overlapping friend groups have brought me, great imagination and joy, all from a simple, you're supposed to sign up, I think, for 2 or 3 coffee sessions for a mentor-mentee, and it was much more than that. And that kind of is how it happens, I find, at Massey.